Today, I'm going to be showing you how I like to make venison backstrap quesadillas. These quesadillas are filled with ooey gooey melted cheese, marinated venison tenderloins, and a secret jalapeno sauce sure to please any crowd. It serves great with pico de gallo. You can also serve this sauce on the side. The full recipe is down in the description. If you want to check out more of our recipes, head on over to shop.taggedout.com. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to get started on the marinade. For that, we're going to mix together some oil, some vinegar, and our fajita or taco seasoning. We're going to thinly slice our venison backstrap fillets into tiny little strips. We're going to get this in the marinade. We're going to let it go for about, I want to say minimum of 20 minutes, but overnight is best. On to our quesadilla sauce. For this, we're going to mix together mayonnaise, sour cream, taco seasoning, jalapeños diced, and also the jalapeno pickle juice. If you want it hotter, add more. If you don't want hot at all, keep it out, or you can even leave it out entirely and just go with the taco seasoning in it, and it makes a great sauce. We're going to mix it all together, put it in a bottle, and we're going to store it into the fridge until we're ready to make our quesadillas. Now we're going to saute up some diced onions and peppers. We're going to let them go for a couple of minutes until those onions start to become translucent. Now we're adding in our marinated venison tenderloins. We're going to cook these till they're your preferred doneness. I like to go mine to a medium because they're going to continue to cook a little bit more as they're in the quesadilla. Now let's finish up our quesadillas. We're going to lay our tortilla shell down in an oiled skillet. We're going to add our cheese, our jalapeno sauce, and our steak and onion pepper mixture. We're going to toast these till they're golden brown on both sides, and we're going to dig in and get a taste. Now it's the moment we've been waiting for. Let's get a taste. You can top this off with a little bit more of your sauce or fresh pico de gallo. Let's dig in. It's so good. Packed with tons of flavor. Listen to how crispy that is. So good. It's cheesy, it's ooey, it's gooey. The sauce goes really well with any type of Mexican-inspired dishes. The steak is perfectly cooked. This is a great way to use up some venison backstraps and to switch it up. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and we'll get to them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.